We're at 1634 Macintosh Way. We had to back up inside, found the trap. It was sludged up, plunged it, and we just cambered from the trap out to the main. So we're about 71 feet out. You can see the main there. PVC looks good so far. We're going to pull back here now.
What do you see?
It's open. It was the trap that was plunged there. It was clogged here.
Is that all it was?
Yeah.
Jeez, I could have done that probably, right?
Yeah, possibly. So we're going to, we'll camera back in towards the house then. Okay. But we went to 70 feet out to the main first.
I had a, I just got off work.
We were just looking at a clean out there. It's about 15 feet out. It's most likely paved over because it's we don't see anything within 15 feet of where we're at. We're dropping.
Yeah.
So it goes down pretty deep, and then it went to the left. Okay. All right. Push through just a little bit more. Go back in. Alright, that fitting was just the end of the trap. Alright, pull out nice and slow. Just look at your monitor there and make sure we're not seeing any breaks. It's hard to tell in the water. Let me see just above the water level. There you go. Yeah, I don't see anything. Alright, pull it out and try to get it to kick back in. Alright, and right there, back up, just touched right there is a clean out that is underneath the steps. So the line is clear. We'll just get a couple flushes and get the rest of that sludge out. Pull back. I don't like how much water was hanging out right at the tee, or right at the trap, I mean. But there's nothing we're really going to do about that. It's probably how the trap was put in. Alright, so we have water there. Pull back a little bit. Keep pulling back. Alright, looks like there's water at the bottom of the pipe there now. Put more cable in there so we can see the actual number. Alright, so it looks like there's water on the bottom of the pipe there at about 16 feet. So that last... Well, did we clear it out? just by running your cable, you might have cleared it out. Look at that. You cleared it out just by running your cable. There's a little bit of sludge that we cleared out, so not even a belly at the trap. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and flush everything.
Okay. Like all the toilets?
Yep. And I think we're good.
All right.